We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Nihleli ne-legendary supporter la. The legendary.
Hey,
no ngeke siqamba amanga mfowethu.
Hayi sengimdala KB.
Ngeke siqamba amanga.
No mama Mntoka, mina ngizibona njenge-legend. Ngizibona omunye umuntu uzothi maybe wena ngohlobo obona ngalo can't dispute ke indlela abantu ababona ngayo and I can't have control indlela wena obona ngayo but mina ngokukwami ngaphakathi ukhumbula ukuthi nami nginazo izinto zami zangaphakathi but mina ngohlobo engibona ngalo ngaphakathi I will say that I wouldn't label myself as an AJ, I mean as a legend, but I will label myself as one of the most supporters ezithanda ibhola. Yabona umuntu makathi emfethu ngiyayithanda indlela othanda ngayo ibhola. Ngifile ngathi uyangibusisa. Because of lo muntu I think ungirecognize more in terms of ukuthi uyangazi ungibonile Orlando, ungibonile Mbombela, ungibonile Polokwane, ungibonile maybe eDurban, ungibonile maybe kulesi stadium. So it would mean that this person is the most person I would say that crew yami le. Ibandla lami ke le. Yabona leli zethu ebafethu ngiyalithanda ibhola. Ngikubona endaweni ethize, ngikubona ekuthizeni, ngikubone anywhere, then I would say that I will define myself as umuntu othanda ibhola. That's why ngingazi ba bias. Ma inhle kwibhalane asincoma inhle. Ma inhle kwiloku njani? Kaizer Chiefs inhle. Sometimes wayibhetile ibhetile then that's it. Ke uthando lebhola ke lolo.
No mfowethu wena ukhuluma ngebhola. Into esiyithandayo kuwe. Ungangivumela nima ngathi uDr Khumalo naye inqalabutho ilegend ebholeni. Ungangivumela nima ngisho njalo.
Yabona ingane
ungangivumela yini?
Ingane ingayiphikisa ngivume. uDr Khumalo ilegend ekudlaleni ibhola. But ekukhulumeni ngebhola.
No ngisho khona ekudlaleni.
Ekudlaleni legend. Akana ekudlaleni legend.
Ekusupporteni uyi-legend.
Ekusupporteni ngiyi-legend. Ekuyidlaleni legend.
Nawe-ke
ekusupporteni ngiyi-legend.
Usho nje ngamanye amagama akazivumelana
indawo yakhe.
The legendary China.
Game and and nami as much as ngisabhekile lesifana ne-growth kula kanjani ngine-plans ezinjani kulapho ngizovuma khona ukuthi yabona I can reach this new season plans that I wanna attend Cape Town, Durban and Eastern Cape Games. Dlalele ngale ko Cape Town ko Durban. Hayi ke ngizobamake lapho i-legend ngubhot until
ama-legend no Jomoson i-legend kodwa futhi no Khalama Zumkone i-legend. Khona ama-legend aphuma manje oThabo Muki.
Kuyashiyana makaphuma ubhoti esihlalo lapho uzokunika isihlalo.
Omzayoni Mfukeng, Omguyo, oSadama ama-legend. Kodwa manje sinani sinozweli sino Brabobs.
Ama-legend akhona ke manje.
Yebo sinodwaha.
Uyayibona ke lento sithi bababa uJwaha mabephuma bayazi ukuthi umzila usabanjiwe. That's what I can say that. Abobaba uJwaha mabeza kuphuma endleleni bayazi ukuthi umzila sizoku take it from there now because of yazi nathi uthando lebhola silibonanga kubanye abantu silibone kubo labantu. Yazi thina masibabona back then bebhekelela ibhola boSaddam. Yazi bangoma iChiefs Chiefs idlala. Bengelodlala iChiefs Chiefs ngambonanga uSaddam uMachaka wonke lamajita.
Umguyo baba bamfica ensimini bahamba naye washiya.
So nathi ke sabona ukuthi naye luthando. But then back then wacabanga ukuthi resources are not enough. How to travel to the games, purchasing of tickets, but it's just right siyakhona manje. Then sakhona ukwenza lento besikade sifisa and sithanda. So I can say that luthando and mabe shift egamini umzila uyohleze banjiwe. Ngeke phela ama supporters. Ikhona esazalwa namhlanje. So thina laba abazalwa today nathi bayefica ukuthi manje uthando lale team siqale sabona kwakhona oChina egamini babeyithanda le team babesupporta le team babeyifela le team. So iyakhula le yanto share enye generation ngisho kanjani.
Mhlawumbe mntakwabo abasingakayi kude ake siqale mfowethu sikhalisane nomfowethu uZweli Abdul uBrother ushonele umama siye sayizolo siya ama-friends wethu sayokhala ekhaya. Ushonele umama ngihamba nama-friends wethu siyokhala mfowethu uZweli sizwelane naye, siyazwelana kakhulu nomndeni kaZweli ngokushiya umama. Ukushiya umama kuyona into encane, into enzima kakhulu ngoba labo bantu labo bayibona bayizinsika zethu, noma uxakekile kodwa uyazi ukuthi umama uzobonga. Ngisho ngabe uzenzele wena, uthengele wena le t-shirt, ethi uma wakho ngiyabonga mfana wami ukuthi uthenge i-t-shirt enhle kangaka, kodwa nje-ke sithi abaqine bonke ekhaya. Angazi ungathini kulokho.
Yabona ukushiya ngumama, I think mhlawumbe nathi sinama-experience anjalo. Yabona ukushiya ngumama, abomntu ngamashiya ngumama inqaba likamama liphola, ngifuna uqamba. Even today kuye kuthi nami namhlanje ngithi asumama bekhona bekuzoba so, but into engiyithanda ngalo uyaphila naye.
Uyaphila
as much as lingapholi lona, but uyaphila naye. So nangwa wami ukuthi ukushiya ngumama ngeze kuyohlezi kuyisikhala esingavaleki, but uyakhona ukuphila sikhona leso sikhala. So to the family nje we are sending condolences. Isikhathi lapho ke nawe uyobona khona ukuthi uqina khuluma ithini makuthiwa qina kuzobe khulunywani. So everything kulapho ezoqala yenza sense khona makethi uqina, ukuthi ukuthini uqina, kusho ukuthini ukuba kule situation okuye iyadlula yona. Siye sithi lapha ekhaya ukufa ngumakoti okufikela yonke imizi. Akekho umuntu ongenayo,
akukho umuntu ongenayo
ithuba kulo makoti. Ibuhlungu injalo, kodwa ke sithi akalale ngaleli side elinenxeba, and uyaphileka naye, siyaphila nathi, siyaphila naye. And ayikho lula, akaphileki kuze kwaphelela, akapholi, but kuyaphileka.
Mfowethu ngiyabonga amakhulu lawo magama. Ake sibuyelana, awusitshele thina uChina sesimbona stadium, simbone ku-TV. uChina ubani? uChina usukaphi? Yabona kuphi ekhaya? Mhlawumbe nje isikole wafunda kiso-ke isiphi?
Yazi baba uMntungwa, mangibonge leli thuba okokuqala. I think ama-fans wakho ne-channel yakho will be the first people ukwazi ukuthi ngibani kanti le house.
Ngoba siyayibona
njalo egemini and lokhu igadlile.
Abanye bathi impimpi ye-Pirates,
abanye bathi ayilena ifuna i-Chiefs, ayilena ithanda i-Pirates, kule viki ukuthi ayifuna i-Pirates. So izimvo zabo ziyoloko yishintshana. Kule viki ayikhuluma kahle i-Pirates, ayikhuluma kabi i-Chiefs. No, originally we were from Eastern Cape. The Transkei side and the Ciskei side, Port Elizabeth in the Butterworth, on the Sala Eastern Cape. You remember Eastern Cape, I got you, so I saw like a update. So, but then Ngabuya, ngeza kuleli ngafunda everything I did in the Eastern Cape. Ngithe masengibuya to join family this side, mangibona ukuthi amangizokhangela amatoho this side, ngabuya ke ngizokhangela amatoho, and then ubone ke lapho ukuthi awuhlanganise ngapha, but ngabe sengifika ngingumuntu ke mase ngibuye ukuthi at least naso uhlanganisile esikolweni, right, and everything we believe ukuthi I know is sorted. Ngaphuma ke ngase-Gauteng kudala, it's been more than 15 years, 10 or 20 years, close to 20 years. Then ngifikela khona la elokishini, ngihlala khona elokishini Orlando Gaslam,
ne-Orlando Pirates team
Orlando Pirates team yaseGaslam. So ngafika ke, okay, I joined the family. Mina ke baba uMntungwa ngizokwazisa lena, mina bengithanda ibhola, but i-environment ebengikuyo ibiye ye-rugby. So mina ngithanda ibhola, but i-environment
khona
yi-rugby. So mangikhula e-Eastern Cape, ngikhula ngithanda ibhola, awu-different chips ngihamba 13 years 14 years bese ngiyazi. Then now environment esikuyo, you have to know your rugby because of its everyday thing. I understand rugby.
Eastern Cape into yakhona, Eastern Cape, Cape Town i-rugby yakhona.
So we used to abosiya kolisi siya bekasijimela, I still remember ijimela eDenqeqe ne-African Bombers. Amajita siye sometimes after school so check amajita, analo luthando le-rugby. But ikhona yonke uthando lukhona let me say mangathi anginalo lukhona uthando lwe-rugby but uthando oluningi lusengala ngasebholeni. I still remember if I will take you back ngangisasebenzele enye ikhampani kodwa la eGoli and then I went to audition SuperSport multi choice. I was the fourth. I was the third. I was the third with XXXHA commentators. SuperSport Rugby Search. I was there. I was once there, and then I was able to spend the full season. SuperSport Rugby Challenge, which is I think izinto engazifunda SuperSport ziningi. Indlela okukhuluma nabantu, indlela okukhuluma. Every single thing. So I was doing XXXHA khona because ngumXhosa. But it's just that yabona masowukhulelela lo. You used to come during holidays. Isikhathi sami esiningi besingapha. So already in the family yakho is the language esebenzayo. You try to adapt sometimes. Not because of XXXHA sakho une problem, you don't have your problem. But because of siphila elokishini ngumpeti ngumtsonga bantu so isiZulu become common. So you might not know umtsonga akekho fluent nomunye akekho fluent. But sizama ukuthi sizwane thina. So into ebikhona from back in the day. So I think from a SuperSport, I think kulapho I think it was 2017. Kulapho I've been watching games before. So I've been challenging games. I think from ukusuka kwenye rugby kulapho ngayena exposed more because of ukusebenzela SuperSport ba exposed more kundaba ama ground. So I got a chance ukuthi be exposed more kuma grounds kwaqala uthando lebhola more because ngikhuluma after a year khona after a whole challenge thing ngabe senguthando lami sengiyazazi ukuthi okay ngiyaspani busy up. Enjoy ibhola, enjoy it because rugby I did enjoy. I still go and watch Springbok. I still do have even tickets as a Springbok. Uthando lwe-rugby alipheli because of something natural thing. So I know that kula ma-testers ayo yonke into yonke le series ayo I'll be part of ngizobe ngikhona kubo Indian Ellis Park, FNB, yonke lama grounds I think ne Loftus I'll be there, I'll be watching rugby, everything is sorted. So ifike kanjalo ke baba uMdunga then nganothando more after ngibe exposed ku SuperSport. Nganothando lama ground. Ngaphuma ke ngokuthanda ibhola endlini. Ngifuna because SuperSport unginikeza that thing ama ground because bengisiwa kuqala. But yazi mawusuka ngumuntu uyasuka kule viki awuyanga kule viki awuyanga. Then ngiyakhonela manje
angitshelele Jay iChiefs uqhamukaphi nayo mhlambe ngesikhathi nje abadlali bokuqala ukusupport ibhola obani ababedlala ngalezo khathi
uyabona maphi neChiefs uyabona mawukhuluma ngeChiefs ukhuluma ngepoverty ke abanye abantu abano understand ukuthi how we got to these teams ngiyayisaba indlala baba umuntu wanjizwe yami yonke yabona indlala ngiyayosaba iChiefs ngiqhamuka kanjani kuyo kune time la usaphila loyo baba kuneighbor ubaba khona unebhaki asina TV kithi you understand so ubaba makasithatha sizingane I think I was still in primary I was still in primary man back in the 2000s
khona
emakhaya so uyasithatha ngevan so makakuthatha ngevan sihamba naye siyobhekelelani ibhola ngoba bufavor yini iChiefs and akakutshela enye into
utshela
ngeChiefs and Chiefs beyishisa ngaleso sikhathi sabo after era yabo doctor aboThabo Muki lesikhathi sabo Thabo Muki lesikhathi sabo Thabo Muki and beyishisa ke that time so was a team ebidumile in the area so Nobaba next door was the biggest fan I would say who would do everything to go and watch
the Chiefs.
Now kwenzakala kanjani uyasithatha now uyabona ukuthi at that time I think I was in love Bushbucks Umtata Bucks so ibiqala iBushbucks imtata Bucks later on esandlalela sekwaba nemall lapho eGolden X Stadium so ngiyayithanda ke le team uyayibona team eyaziwayo and neBloemfontein Celtics I think might say ivela benothando lwayo so now uyabona now you are caged
ubaba
ubaba yena sengibiza intwana yami igama lalo baba igama lentwana yami because of I fell in love nendlela ayenza ngayo but one thing I will say that I joined the Chiefs nge-influence yakhe ne-impact nendlela wayesenza ngayo izinto eyangenzanga nothando indlela disciplined ngayo baba khona he was a nurse so udisciplined ngayo indlela anothando ngayo indlela organize ama-out amancane ngayo. Although ungenalutho kini but organizers sibe equal, sihlale phansi kuleyo methe yaloyo muzi asihambise kuyo le garage ane-space connectiwe, so we used to sit maybe egarage yakhona to watch the game. Nakuye endlini uyi-callers a-connect i-TV, a-charge i-battery, black and white, u-charge i-battery ekarini, amane ereba nge-half time phinde ibuyele eTV-ni. So lola thando indlela enze ngayo to organize youth, to organize thina, I think ibe ngubaba to even everyone obengenababa in the community, so he would organize them.
Sabadinga labo baba namhlanje.
So exactly, so sayithatha khona indlela ayenza ngayo ukuthi yasenza. I think that what made me to fall in love neKaizer Chiefs. So every game Wednesday now yakumnganakhe, naye umnganakhe naye unezakhe ana DStv une-TV. Ma uyakhula kwi-group afika ama-DStv, bayifika lama-DStv wamane hamba nathi again. So phumile u-black and white
kakhulu uthando
lwe-Chiefs. Uyabona ke now sekungena nenye generation ka-Chiefs, sekungena i-generation aboJabupule. Now so uthando seluyakhula
babeshisa uJabupule Stanton Fredericks,
so seyatshintsha boSkaba Ngobesa. So ithe mayichange even kodwa uJabupule bangena ne-DStv. Ithe mangena i-DStv kwabe lo baba naye seka-organizile. So umngani wakhe Wednesday has never missed a game ye-Chiefs from a primary e-TV-ni ke.
Ubani lo baba mfowethu?
Lo baba
phela bazombona e-Eastern Cape.
Hayi man,
ubani?
Hayi ingane zakhe zikhona la ku-TikTok.
Phela sizokwazi ukuthi inhle into akayenza.
Ngicala ukuthi baba kwaGedu ngowaseNgcobo, khona kwaGedu baba khona kwangenza. I think mangibala abantu abangikhulisile ke ngibalole yababa, umama bekakhona, but although mama sometimes will go to a course in maybe 6 months, ahamba ePitori, a course in Eastern Cape, ahlale 6 months ku trainings zakhe, besala nalo baba, so next door. So baba, I will say ngabantu in love that make ngibala abantu abangenze ngalo muntu onguye bakususa kwizinto azikhulisanga. I think he never altered the word, but ebekustructure ngenye indlela masameni ukwenza will keep you busy unganotisanga. So nguye loyo baba, I think baba uGedu nguye wangenza ngafela in love neKaizer Chiefs, the way bekayikhulumela iChiefs, the way bekayidefend iChiefs, ukudefend iChiefs
namanje usayidefend,
of course namanje usayidefend. I think nami now that sengikhuluma nawe ungenza sengicabanga ezinye izinto ukuthi maybe kulo December ngeke ngimhambisele iJersey.
Futhi
awukhuluma sengicabanga ukuthi kulo December ngeke ngimhambisele iJersey elisayiniwe Thula Pay Village. Okay, ngenza iJersey ngilisayine ngilihambise.
Siyabonga bamba la
December kumele ngimtholele iJersey, signed full jersey alithola.
Awungitshele iChiefs ibe ama Cup Kings. Umbono wami loyo, sengisho nje angisesho back then nje namanje nje leminyakanyana le bebekwazi ukuthi masikhuluma ngeteam ewin league njalo win ama cup iChiefs noma ingabheda kanjani season nesizini izowin league. Khumbula ngomunye unyaka uRobert Marawa wayesebenza ku Metro FM, interviewer ubaba uMtaung Dr Kaizer, wathi uRobert Marawa wayengakabe yena udoctor, wayengavumi babembiza kodwa engavumi, wathi Kaizer Chiefs win cups every season, even if they are not playing so good, but they will win a cup. What's your secret? What Dr. Kaizer Mtaung, when we started this project, we set ourselves standards and we achieved those standards. Now it's the matter of maintenance. So how did we get here? Kaizer Chiefs are no longer a cup
specialist.
What happened?
No, look, yabona singayiblame iChiefs. Thina ku-easy baba Mtuka ukublame iChiefs. Singayibheki ilokunje i-competition ne-standard to other teams.
Yeah.
I'll still say that i-Chiefs ayifanga. I-Chiefs ayikaphumi leyo mindset kuyo. Abasenawo lo yamqondo, basenayo leya belief, but yabona into eyenzekile. Kukhule lokho besingacabanganga ukuthi siyakhula. Ungayichembe lokushini. Waziwe as one of the champions kwi-boxing or anything. Ukhohle ukuthi kune development generation ezayo.
Iza nomunye umqondo.
When Chiefs was winning cup, bekunabo Hellenic, Dynamos, Celtics. Zaphuma lezo, kwafika Marumo, kwafika Jomo Cosmos, kwafika bani. Baphuma labo, kwafika Chippa United, kwafika Cape Town Spurs, zahamba Ajax Cape Town. So kuye kwachange teams, change system, develop a new players, develop a new style of play. The problem with Chiefs ke manje ayifunanga ithathe isikhathi awuleze ayifunanga ithathe isikhathi ukumove kule yanto because of now seyihleli lana ukuthi sesifana. So I wouldn't say that i-Chiefs iye yafa. I would still say that i-competition
iyakhula.
So besicompete ne-team ebezikwi-average. See i-best team. Now bayakhula ke nalabo Pirates bebengathatha amakhaphu phela. Ama-Pirates bodobhadobha phela. Nalokhu ke kwasePitori. Bebamba amatoho bafika uPitso. So kuye kwakhula i-competition. If ever beswina ikhaphu bezikuphi lezi team ezinye eziwina amakhaphu manje? Shuthi asiluzanga i-identity yethu. Siye sathola i-competition. I-Chiefs iseyiyo. I mean, I wouldn't say iseyiyo, but isenayo leyanto. Iyayifuna every year iyayifuna. Uyabona ke kanzima ke kule 10 years because of kukhule ingane besingayibhekanga le yabo Sundowns. Lapho uPitso wavusa build something ebesingayinakanga and dominate. So I would say that i-competition iyakhula. I will not say that i-Chiefs iyafa.
Kodwa mhlambe indlela i-Chiefs mhlambe esayina ngayo abadlali nendlela ebamanager ngayo abadlali mayisiba sayinile ngabe mhlambe nje ngesingawe mawubheka la ukhona iyakunelisa.
I would still say that ezinye izinto siyakhala singakhala. Uzothi maybe ayinganelisi. Kunama players baba umuntu onga-trust me a-change esofika ku-Chiefs right. I-lifestyle yaseJoburg iyodwa inga-change ungumuntu. Look at abo-Ox. I'll make an example of one player.
Ox Mthetho.
U-Ox wase-Stellenbosch akafana no-Ox wase-Chiefs.
U-Stellenbosch.
I-star we-Stellenbosch.
Chiefs.
U-Chiefs udrophile. Ayo-Chiefs leya. I-lifestyle ye-environment.
Kusho ukuthi bafika bejwayele igoli.
Bafika
bejabule nokuthi sengifikile manje igoli le-standard.
Uma ungase-KZN egoli kuyafana ukuthi usekhaya. U-Ox usuke e-KZN edlala e-Cape Town ukuthi ekhaya lapho. Uyafika egoli uhlangana abafowethu. Easy ke sometimes ezinye izinto umqondo uwodwa.
Sengisekhaya manje
ini ziyachange. Not only ukuthi wena udrophe ngokwelokunya nokomqondo. Uyabulaleka because of close nalabantu and they are always in the game. Cape Town uyadlala nje awunayo ne-support oyibonayo. Now udlala nangu u-anti wami ukhona la stadium. So nezinye zezinto uyangena kwingcindezi unga-expectanga. So another thing I would say is that ne-environment i-city will always be Joburg, will always be Joburg. Inezinto zayo ngaphakathi
ufuna ukuthi uqine.
So uyafuna uqine, but I wouldn't say that i-Chiefs iphele bula lama-player. Masiyibheke ke ngithanda basibhalansise. Ewe inazo i-effect asiyikhulumeni, asiyi-protect, asiyi-defend. Zikhona izinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi. We can't dispute that okanye we can't run away from leyo. Kodwa
wonke umuntu unenkinga zawo.
Umuntu unenkinga zawo. Kunjalo kunomuntu unezakhe inkinga. I-Chiefs lenza iphutha lapho nalapho, but still siphinde sifile ukuthi is one of the most paying team. I wouldn't say it's the most, but one of the best. Kwezinye ze-team ezibhadalayo ku-PSL lokho kuyiqiniso. So uma ubhadalwa kaloku usu-expect ukuthi wenze the way ubhadalwa ngayo. So asiyazi ke manje bayabhadalwa. Ngihamba i-South Africa yonke ayikho indawo efana ne-facilities ezifana neziya.
Kukhona natural. I mean natural ngiyaya. Ngithe ngingakahlala eGoli ngeke ngaya natural nami ngafike ngethuka sengihlangana no Mr Hlophe Mtsimpe uchairman weSundowns
Ngiyambona.
uyafika ukuyisana i-development yeSundowns yayidlala ne-Chiefs ngethuka sengihlangana naye ngathi awumadoda impela ngisegoli impela ke manje
ngangifakela ngaphakathi ke sekhaya ke manje
ya kusekunasho lena top class kodwa ke sinokukhala ngokuthi i-product lena kuyiyona yona ekuyi-product yebhola ukudlala ama-facilities akhona, imali ikhona, publicity ikhona, kodwa e-groundini mani kuyakhalisa mani. Yini lena mhlambe nje ke singeke afuna ukuthi iyenze i-Chiefs mhlambe ngokubuka kwakho nje?
Yazi asiyazi yabona ukhona ukuthi nathi asiyazi manje.
Mina mangangidayisela i-Chiefs ngeke ngazi ulifuna nenzeni.
Ngeke
ngazi mina ukuthi
because okuthina siyabelieve ukuthi mina zikhona izinto engithi nginokuzisola kwi-scout. We don't have i-scout esigrange. Leyo sinayibaleka. Yabona ngibabonile beqosha coach beqosha yonke. But are we considering i-scouter? Are we considering i-agent esebenzisana nazo? There's a bad relationship between i-scout and the agents. You can't say that every time Masoni players in tour.
And it die.
So that means that ikhona a bad relationship between scouter and agents.
Yes, because you create relationships with agents.
Yes. So why Chinama players are told? We didn't say that the Chiefs never told them players. Because of the Chiefs, I am here for them players. Kumela scouter said scouted the player, communicate on the agent. Over Chiefs go on, who make conduct. So I would say that I would still blame the scout. Magu clean, magu clean up with technical team. That's a good clean on the scout this year. So I would still say that in the Akara with scouters. Scouters long as South Africa, I'm trying to tell me that all of my defenders now in the country, Abu Matuludi, Abu Banban. Then when we have this punch and Miguel. And Miguel on a contract as Nayazi, Umela Dalil.
Usele lapho kunomfana mina ngiloku ngakhala ngaye ubani lona oyi captain ye Richards Bay bani umfana manje
ngiyabona
igama lizobuya malibuyile lo mfana lo mina kade ngakhala ngaye ukuthi manje Chiefs manini bengamthathi lo mfana.
Exactly. So that's why ngithi i-Gauters asiyazi kuse South Africa ke phela la. This is South Africa. So sometimes it's about who you know. Because of unentwana ayibona ukuthi hayi le komnandi kwezinye team not the chief at
yonke indawo
akhona bona manane siwabonile kuphela isizini number 9 scored 2 goals scored 3 goals but number 9 uyadlala kanjani la ufike kanjani la I think thina sesa lose that identity because when you look at uBhobhi makayohamba yoziphandela uBhobhi ngaphanda abuye uBhobhi usibuyele noMusoni eZimbabwe usibuyele noThinashe noNgoma usibuyele noMbesuma ingekho lento ingekabi iningi lento ama
yebo Thomas Sweswe Jimmy Jump khona namanje
so uziphandele uBhobhi ama players abuya nawo kwangena lesi agent so mina I'll say that
manje
change scout
uBhobhi maye ukwenza lento akukhona ukuthi babe ngasavumelani lapha ngaphakathi Chiefs kukhona izinto abangayo bathi ye wena yeka lento
ayinjalo kuye kwachange. Remember that now siya shifta kwisikhathi besikuso
sesiya isikhathi sama agents
uSAFA unemithetho emisha uFIFA unemithetho emisha kunesikhathi sama agent i-team yakhula kumele wenze relationship now awusahamba uyofukuza now kunendlela nabo coach izinto abazi expectile i-pace yale player i-health conditions and what yawazi ama player la kuBhobhi remember lo Bhobhi naye wayasho ukuthi hey now ama player sekahamba nge-distance covered meters covered akusafani naqala webhola ubona idlala leya uthi le yiyo le ebhuqweni uyidonze na kunezinto that are being checked so awukhona ukuzenzela lezana kumele uthini ube ne-scouter esizakwenzela lezana kumele kube ne-agent ezabhilda that relationship so ukuchange kwezinto
manje i-competition lapha enini wamabhakani ayinikhathazi
no ayisikhathazi we are not in competition with anyone sisendleleni yethu
nigijima wena
umjaho kwethu umjaho and sihamba nge-pace yethu sihamba nge-standard sethu because of uzozibuza ukuthi asifakelwa muntu pressure.
Yeah.
So ngaba abazifanisa nathi.
Yeah.
We are on our lane manje umuntu athi while team inama Africa lama cup wenu angake sasingawazi. Nathi star saba sazi.
Yeah.
Nathi star sazi. Yeah, mina
ngase ngilibuka.
Ngiyangibona icup.
Ngase ngilibuka ngikhumbula ngaleso
wayibamba icup yakhona la Orlando Stadium.
Orlando Stadium.
Lapho wayibamba.
Ngangisemncane kodwa khona ngase ngifike
la
Uthe wayibona icup lapha kuma cabinet.
Hayi.
Nayo. Yeah. So asinawuvuma ke ngabantu abazawuthi hayi khona istar siyasibona esikipeni.
Cha mina yaswena ngiyibuka mina. Uyazi usakhuluma ngalokho nje. Abantu badumisa ukuthi ucaptain kwakuMajensi. Asikhulumi ngiyadlula nje. uMajensi iCaptain Innocent Mncwango waseMondlo le ngasenquthu. WaseMondlo iMondlo azimile ukuhle enquthu noma eLefrihead kodwa walapho uInnocent Mncwango. uInnocent Mncwango wathola ired card ngefirst leg. Is3 score kwaba u2-2 wathola ired card. Second leg akangadlala kwadlala uMajensi. Manje abantu sebethi iCaptain kwakuMajensi. Badla amandla akazidlule la.
Yayibona ngilona ngithi kwakungena VAR la.
Yebo.
Kwakungena asiyazi ama offside ayethathwa kanjani.
Hayi.
Kwakungefona imithetho thina sidlale sekunezinto ezizohlukile.
Yeah sekunezinto
ne standard sekungase bayizwa ngeHD.
Kodwa phela iMandela Cup yayiwini iChiefs. uDr Nkhumbula edlala phezulu kwebhola iyayikhonja umshini eJugraliwe sasikhona sanibuka. Leyo cup kwaxa uJose Makhama waseMozambique. Uyowaye Shama goal lapha kuChiefs. No Rene Richards. Yeah.
So Chiefs ina Cape Convert but Cape Convert illess ingaphansi.
Ingaphansi kweCape. Kodwa yona iyaziwa ikhona kuhistory.
Ikhona iChiefs yothela izinomlando apho.
Awungitshela. Is Orlando Pirates replacing Kaizer Chiefs as the most hated team in the country? Because if you are most loved, you are most hated. But let's concentrate on being the most hated. Because now I see every time Orlando Pirates win cups, there are comments, just like it was happening when it was the reign of Kaizer Chiefs. So is Orlando Pirates replacing you as the most hated team in the country? Yeah.
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah.
Reason why we can get Tina, the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Season. Tina is consistent.
Yeah.
Tina Besenza in.
Yes.
And just as of the last 10 years.
Yeah.
2014.
Yes.
2014, 13, 14.
Yeah.
Tina is consistent. Bona abeko consistent because of the yabo iqala ukudevelopa now and developa ngeMTN 8.
Yeah.
Then we are the cup ngathi is cup specialist. MTN 8 and Nedbank.
Yeah.
These are the two cups as decorate Paris currently.
Yeah.
The Nedbank and MTN 8.
MTN 8.
So I wouldn't say yes, but are consistent with the cup two.
Yeah.
But not for elite. I would still say that maybe the Mabenzo pusha. Because of Tina Besias every season. Was of one and a Panama season about next.
Yeah,
Amaninga season about next now when the league with any treble.
Treble yayisuka ku 10 years. Yabuya yashaya ama-treble amabili eNyamalala yabuya man 2020 no 2021 yawina buya ngeMTN 8.
So ikhona lokwaku. Uma ilahleke. So Tina back then besi consistent.
Nyaka nonyaka
njengoba nje I can say that we can start to ukuthi siyabajaja ukusuka la phambili.
Yeah.
For now we can't say that the Pirates is dominating. Yeah. Not because of we hate it but defend.
Yeah.
Sizakubona ukuthi hayi nawe. Because thina nathi sike sayi defend phela kule isikhathi.
Yeah.
Understand so nabo defend it.
Yeah.
Sibone ukuthi hayi labantu. Hamba manje sibone ukuthi nawe uyocompete because of you can't say that Chiefs ivelile kwindawo eziningi. Sibonile kwiConfed isilwa even back in the days. Sibonile kwiCAF isilwa nayaya kufinal. Ukwazi say that nathi sile final but at least consistency yakho masiyibone. Asidile amandla wakho. Congratulations to them. They are quite doing well so far. But now if you are notice benze kahle kakhulu kule era yabo bonke. But ukuphuma kwabo bonke kuzoba njalo sazi. Abana ufana neChiefs. But currently they are the good team. Yes. Hayi abana.
Okay. Kaizer Chiefs recently released their technical team. So according to you, who is the best suited coach, or they must go candy hunting? Is there any available coach or coach that you know that they can go for, or that they are rumored to be after? Or Kaizer Chiefs need to go hunting? Because previously Kaizer Chiefs gave us Ted Dumetro, they gave us Paul Dolezal, they gave us Shine Tukran. The list is endless of the best coaches that we didn't know, but they were brought to the country by Kaizer Chiefs. So
What's your answer? Who should they go for? Or should they go hunting or go for the obvious?
No, don't go for the obvious.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even mean I myself.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect to be part of Chiefs.
Yes.
Not at all.
Not at all. Yeah.
Upito ufana noPep Guardiola. He would struggle to coach a team ezawufuna sidevelop akasadevelop.
Ufuna abadlali.
Some people that are ready.
Yeah, kufuneka ibudget.
Upito, let's be honest. Upito is a good coach. Now ask yourself ukuthi Upito kula 5 years wayedevelop Sundowns ingena next. Nekanawo lama players bekadevelopa ngawo makasewini.
Be-10.
Be-10.
Yeah.
Upito kwi-alakli ufike kwi-team ethengayo.
Yeah.
Ethenga ama-Muslim akhona.
Yes.
Wahamba waya
phesheya.
phesheya indawo
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Wathola lama team yalapha yatinga yaku-relegation yo team isezansinyana
Ufika ikhuphula.
wayizamanyana
Yeah.
wakhuphula but ayibuyanga na-next because of i-budget yala team
Yeah.
ayifani.
Yeah.
Upito can coach i-Chiefs because of the Chiefs izakunika i-standard budget. Upito can coach any team ezakunika say that here's 1 billion.
Yeah.
Go and do
No
things.
recruit. Yeah.
So Upito is not the standards of Chiefs in terms of the Chiefs. Chiefs is more of a business.
Yeah.
Than any
Ukuwina.
reason.
Yeah, ukuthenga kakhulu ayikhiphi kakhulu.
The Chiefs are looking at development in
Yeah.
structures.
Yes,
So
ekufanele asebenze.
Upito kumele asebenzile kumele sidevelophe ukuthi.
Yeah.
So Upito Chiefs is business minded. Upito ke give me this player, I want this player. Give me Nyandoro, I want Nyandoro. Give me Surprise Moriri, I want Surprise Moriri. Give me this player. So
Yes.
akunawufana kwa Chiefs.
Yeah.
Akunawufana.
No,
So
true.
Upito akekho angilomfaka kuma-plans we-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Because of it would mean that we have to dig deeper.
Yeah, in the
budget
pocket.
Uyabona kwi-pocket zethu. So i-budget yethu
Yeah.
ayinawuhambiselana noPito. Now sizahamba sihambe zichallenjane. So as for uPito yena because of i-Chiefs nayo inenye system yayo.
Yokusebenza.
Nathi siyayijabulela la ndlela abadevelopa ngayo ama-player.
Yeah.
Although kungasafani nakuqala but
Yeah.
baningi ama-player adlule kwi-development ye-Chiefs.
Amanye athathwa amanye
athathwa
amateam.
amanye ama-team. So i-development ye-Chiefs nathi sayijabulela because of
Ondamane.
exactly. So now
Yeah.
mangadlulanga kula development which is asiba nama-player.
Yeah.
So now masiloko siyothenga lama Saudi Arabia siyothenga nakuphi nakuphi
Yes.
sizawubhama.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't say then abanye we just need to maybe ubaba kaSavela ngamthatha.
Manqoba Mngqithi.
Ubaba kaSavela not as a head coach.
Yeah.
I-co-coaching abe no-coach wesithupha.
Okay.
Not a
Noma be-assistant.
exactly because of remember that ubaba kaSavela naye ukuzimela uyohluleka.
Yeah.
Une-cup eyi-1 ubaba kaSavela.
Yebo.
Umngqweti.
Yes.
So uManqoba une-cup eyi-1 and i-cup eyi-1 yakhe yile I think i-Nedbank.
Yeah.
Nedbank.
Yes.
Yeah, une-Nedbank eyi-1. So ukuzimela ama-cup wawine kwi-Sundowns uhleli nabanye abantu
Yeah,
akusebahleli iphathi ya.
Yes.
So awufuni ukurana uwimele.
Kodwa
So
uyakwazi
uyamthatha
ukusebenzisana
usebenzisana.
Yeah.
Yes, but umthathe ke ucoach. We still need a coach ozo-introduce ibhola. Ngiyayizwa lento kuthiwa no Chiefs lost i-culture yayo, i-identity yayo. Look at uGadros of Sundowns is developing modernized football.
Yeah.
Elibawinisa ikhefu elicompete international. That's
Yeah.
why ehlulekile
La ekhaya.
ekhaya because of uSteve Komphela akekho mnandi naye la ekhaya.
Yeah.
Umuntu bekumele uyamsiza amfundise ibhola la ekhaya uSteve Komphela. Naye akekho right
Akekho,
yedwa la ekhaya.
Wehlula i-Chiefs.
Wodlula i-Chiefs and yo wena umuntu wabulala i-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kune 10 years sanikeza yena isikhathi eside.
Yeah.
Ukudlula ngoba futhi was supposed to give
Natazwana.
Stellenbosch uncle
Lari igama libalele.
bale ucoach lapha Stellenbosch.
Kevin
Uncle
Hunt.
Hunt.
Yes.
Was supposed to give Uncle Hunt
Yes.
isikhathi esilingana.
Abamnika
Lesasikhathi akakompela.
isikhathi.
Yilesi besideserve nge-Uncle Hunt.
Yeah.
So Uncle Hunt ungena sesi
I-team very siphansi.
sinezinto.
Yeah.
Uncle Hunt deserved more time than uKompela but uKompela ucrashe
Yeah.
that team ukuthi izofika la. So
Mm.
then another thing that I would say is ucoach wangaphandle we need to change a new style.
Yeah.
Siyathatha the South African football,
Mm.
understand,
Yeah.
but also develop a style of play, a style of football that will make us compete continental,
Yes.
international.
Yeah.
So we can say that sizodlala nabo Al Ahly kwi-confed.
Mm.
We need teams ebefile nayo abafani,
Yeah.
but we need this style of play esizasenza sikhompithe kumanye amakhaya si-develophe nathi and then modernize football. Namaplayer wethu makaphuma kuthi ayakhona ukuyodlala eFrance, ayakhona
Yeah.
ukuyodlala England yakhona ukudlala kuphi
aphethe international coach.
international coach. So we need coach onjalo ozobafaka kwi-standard esiphezulu.
NjengoJose Ribeiro manje.
Exactly. Now
Yeah.
ufikile eyiplumber
Yeah.
wadevelopa khona la ekhaya washayina. Now uyavela ukuthi anokubeka iplumber.
Uhambe seyi-engineer.
Iplumber because
Ishuthi ufike iplumber uhambe seyi-engineer.
wafika intern engineer.
Yeah.
Engekafika i-that standard.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Junior engineer. Bese junior.
Mm.
Yena wacabanga ukuthi umkhulu manje.
Mm.
Kanti amamkhulu eSouth Africa kumele mkhulu nangaphandle.
Yeah.
So ubhula lana ungabi mkhulu ngaphandle. UPeter the reason why
Yes.
sisithi uPeter is a big coach because of ubhulishe la eSouth Africa
Wahamba
wayobhulisha
nangaphandle, washaya
ngaphandle. So now silokuthi you best coach because of udlalela ku-PSL kuphela. Hamba ngaphandle
ngeke.
abo-testwa ngabanye abantu. Nanku uRibeiro ehluphuleka kwi-AIK yase-Sweden.
Yeah.
So naye bekumele uright i-AIK, bekumele uye-right ku-Alahi.
Mm.
Why?
Yeah.
So i-right yonke indawo.
Ngiyakuthola.
So I will still say that we need an international coach to assist
Just go
us.
hunting.
Masihambe, let's go hunting, but hunting while we have South African
On the bench.
South African coach on the bench as an assistant.
Yeah.
This international coach, so that two minds. This is an idea.
And the South African coach also understands how South African players think.
And not just any South African coach, a coach with a winning mentality and good record now. At least
Development.
Development siyayazi. And then no, now you know, coach, we need to coach ozothanda youth.
Yeah.
You can't always party amakhetha nama-free agent.
Yeah.
Uyathatha wena we need coach ozothanda youth.
Yes.
Omduduziwe badevelophiwe.
Yeah.
Abo kule extreme badevelophiwe. Maningi ama-player abokhulu badevelophiwe.
Yes.
We still need the coaches ezawunikeza abanye abo-Ectogrand bebenikeza ama-play chance.
Yeah,
So
babe,
we need these players ezawunikeza these young players a chance. Ucoach onjalo samnida not uzosiphathela i-player lase-South Arabia okanye
Yeah, uzolanda abadlali
South
abafana
America
abadevelophiwe kuphela.
selidevelophiwe now ey'ntwana zethu zona zizodlala nini.
Uzodlala.
Now kwisizini yonke wena udevelop i-play eyi-one.
Hayi ngeke.
Siyakubona ukhona umfana odevelophiwe la ku-Sundown. Mngangena kuthiwa nguHlaba
Yeah, ulikhaba.
udevelophiwe but now
Omabhena basithola isikhathi.
sophinde simbone umabhena nangu utelebhentini
Eh.
noma kuse-Nedbank asiyibone leyo player
Yeah.
asikwazi we need to stay
Umkhulise asisababoni.
asababoni so
Yeah.
but sibona this South Arabia now I mean South America North America
Yeah.
now and again no we need someone South this is our own
Yes.
futhi so like Chiefs
Uyadlala day in and day
noma
out.
ungayiblame uyithini Chiefs
Yeah.
uyathanda Chiefs ungayiblame ithini
Inabadlali bala.
inabadlali bala and abadlali badlalanga ku-Chiefs kuphela
Mm.
ubatholile kuMarumo ubatholile kwi-TS Galaxy bakhona nje bathe sa but babuya kuphi abanye ku-development Chiefs the same as Orlando Pirates which is currently doing well now when it comes to development so you can't run away from it the development is important for development.
Hayi, ngiyavuma. Awungitshela. One player that you can say whether retired or was sold or anything. One player that you say, if I could bring back one player to Kaizer Chiefs to come and play, no matter how old he is, but just rating by their performance every time. Who is that? Who is it?
Katsani.
Yeah.
Katsani. Look, yabona uKatsani.
Yeah.
You know why Chiefs is lacking today? What Chiefs is lacking today? La position was never replaced.
He
La
replaced
position,
yeah.
la position, ibuya emuva la position.
Mhm.
Look at Nongomashe la position.
Yeah.
He mastered for almost 7 seasons.
Yes.
La position.
Yeah.
Kwangena uKatsani
Yes.
mastered that position
For almost the same years.
same years.
Yes.
That's the position Chiefs they need that
Yeah.
because of the engine Kaizer Chiefs the position.
Kunjani?
So if I were to bring back one player,
Yeah.
uKatsani, Nongomashe did it,
Yeah.
but uKatsani, that position uKatsani was not just a position. uKatsani beka connect the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Igazi lakhe. No. Yabona bakuthiwa
Gold and black.
we called him Black Igazi.
Yeah.
He badge. One of the players. He might not be a South African player. I mean, but
He was.
that out I fairly badge him.
Yeah.
He knew the money. He was
Yes.
fighting for the badge.
Yes.
So it was not only on the field of play, Ukatsani,
Yeah.
but Ukatsani overall. As a bench, Ukatsani will see with this guy.
He's itching to go.
He's eager to win.
Yeah.
So Ukasande, I would say that we need players ezinjalo because Ukasande bengadlali yena yedwa, but was making sure that as new players ziyadlala ziyapusha. So we need that leadership.
Yeah.
We need that someone to fight for the badge. We need that player who say that let's go here. So I would say that Ukasande.
Salt and vinegar. We would like to bring you back. Unfortunately, we can't reverse.
Even if
age.
ever angakuyilo kunjani mangu structures ezigrand. Yo, yabona, we need that guy to mentor these young players. Yabona,
What is Kaizer Chiefs? How do you behave at Chiefs?
And then he badge, that guy fought for the badge. Mabonile abanye say that about bathini but they there for the badge. Yes.
Katsani.
But Katsani badge.
Yeah.
And the leadership. You understand the leadership yakhe. Yeah, no kuphumene yellow card, but we need the leadership. I would say we need a leader in the ground.
Yeah, I won't dispute that, and I'm not going to dispute any of the four following questions. All-time favorite goalkeeper, who is it? At Kaizer Chiefs, your all-time favorite goalkeeper.
How could I say
Yeah.
If ever so he's not an all-time.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Tando Fernandez. Singangumthanda
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know.
Aye.
To me,
Left-footed.
Yabona leyamlungu. I think leyamlungu ngimthandile, but yabona ukhune is kwi-era yakhe unesikhathi sakhe.
Yeah.
Yabona kwi-era yakhe ukhune was the best. uRowan kwisikhathi sakhe was the best. uBalu kwisikhathi sakhe was the best. But yabona ukhune I would give it to ukhune, but yabona uRowan
Yeah.
ngimthandile, and we won cups kuRowan. Yeah, we have cup kuRowan ayi cup.
Yeah, wawina kakhulu isikhathi Chiefs ishisa.
She's uRowan exactly. uRowan yabona abantu uRowan nokhune.
Yeah.
But ke somnika ukhune because of udlale kwisikhathi esimodern kakhulu, and nguye owenze history nayo ekhulise.
Not only that, he also changed how goalkeepers play in terms of the ball distribution. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
So ukhune
The first goalkeeper to create chances.
uyayibona le nto kuthiwa yi-service ibike
Yes.
nokhune service.
Yeah, I think I know.
Service ama-assist goalkeeper South Africa.
Yeah.
Kalo wabona ngokhune, so I will say that awukhune.
Salute, jersey number 32. So, your all-time favorite defender at Kaizer Chiefs.
All-time favorite.
Yeah.
Abanga simsithi abo Patrick Mabhedi.
No, the one you know.
Abo Patrick Mabhedi yo abeke bengekho mnandi. Abo
Yeah.
Patrick Mabhedi abengekho mnandi. Anguthawo.
Tawa Matoa.
Hayi uThawo. All-time. Hayi uThawo. Ngibabonile Patrick
What a
Mabhedi.
player,
Ngibabonile Cyril Nzama.
Yes.
Ngibabonile abo Patrick Mabhedi.
They were one of the best.
Yeah, they were one of the best. Cyril Nzama was the best. Patrick Mabhedi was the best. Fabian Makati was the best.
Yes.
Abo
Yeah.
ayi kodwa uThawa.
Tawa Matoa.
Hayi uThawa. Because of now football kumele sihambe neplayer nalo esilibone sonke ku development.
Yeah.
And adlale kwisikhathi esine rules nani
Yes.
whereby sibone ukuthi na uhambisana nemithetho uhambisana nento yonke
Yeah.
udlala ngohlobo oluthile. So I would say that zikhona izinto ezinjalo.
No, I remember, just to pass, I remember when he was wanted by Chiefs and Pirates, like look what he said. If Orlando Pirates signed Tawa Matoa, then I'm ready to retire. Then Chiefs signed him. So Tawa, wherever you are respected in the game. In terms of the midfielders, okay, I already know the answer. But in terms of the midfielders, who is the best defensively? Okay, we already spoke.
Defensively,
Yeah,
unengomasha.
yeah,
Because of Katsande was a leader.
yes. In
But-
terms of leadership,
Katsande, I
Skatsani.
will bring him back in terms
Yeah.
of leadership.
Yeah.
But defensive
Nengomasha.
midfielder,
And he was not rough.
I was not rough. Yabona uTinashe mina ngimfanisa noNgolo Conte.
Yeah.
Ngolo
French
Kante.
international.
Yabona ngimfanisa unayo leyana.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
mangibuka uTinashe
Mm.
ngiye ngiyibune leya bhola uNgolo Kante. Sayibona la World Cup. Let's
Yeah.
hope they give him a chance and let's support.
So, in terms of attacking, and in terms of attacking, or creative, I will put them together. So who would you go for?
With creativity,
Yeah,
Uskara Gomez, the late.
yeah,
With creativity, the late Uskara Gomez.
Karangobes.
Look,
Ish.
someone would say
That
that
guy.
Ujabu Pule
Yeah.
Ujabu Pule was skillful. but khuluma nge-creativity now.
Yeah.
Uskara will eliminate 3 to 4 players.
Yes.
Get 360.
Yeah.
That's being creative. It's 360 Kaskara.
People would open when it turns around
there
like
are
this.
games,
Yeah.
we know that Uskara, when it comes to creativity,
Yeah.
he was not fast, not slow, but he knows when to do something.
When to pass, when to dribble, when to release the ball.
So when to release the ball and crossing cross that way so accurate. Yeah, we can say that omunye uzosho aspikisi sibona ngafanayo. Omunye uzosho abothabo mubi mfethu, abo Dr. Khumalo.
Yeah.
But uDoc was a skillful player.
Yes.
But uyabona uSkara creativity.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Skara ngobese.
Hayi yabona uSkara, like I will say that uSkara bekadlala ibhola ngobutsuthi.
Yes.
Really smart.
Kasi
style.
At a professional level. Professionally.
Yeah, exactly. So ibhola lakhe belingekho serious.
Yeah.
So ibhola lakhe was a raw football.
Yes.
Alikho modified, alina instruction. So it was something raw. Yeah, we can say that it's called is creative now. Yes. But when it comes to creativity, ask Skara Gomez.
Yeah. Tell me then, who is your best striker? Before we close, who is your best striker?
Best striker will always be Knowledge.
The silent assassin.
Will always be Knowledge. So ngiyambona mina uMbesuma.
Yeah.
But what I like about uMbesuma was physical.
Yeah, he was physical, he was strong.
Knowledge Mushona was skillful.
Yeah, was skillful,
so,
sneaky.
Yeah, and pace, everything. Umbesuma was just good physical
and a good finisher.
Good ball control, good finisher.
Yeah.
But Knowledge Mushona, pace, ball control, spacing, everything. Bekayazi ukuthi lo ngizimshiya kanjani. Skillful. So Umbesuma had it all. Umbesuma pace and that's why you was develop weight and stuff because of now I very good to do. I mean I very physical and pace. So I want knowledge. That was a sniper.
Yeah,
that was a sniper.
And he's still playing today.
He's still playing even today for Scotland FC Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
So I will see that that was a sniper. That was a sniper.
Yeah. So moving forward, you spoke about Musona now and Kamapili at your former players.
Yeah,
they will be visiting very soon with Scotland FC
Northwest.
in the Toyota Cup. How important is the Toyota Cup to Kaizer Chiefs? Because some people don't understand it. So how important is the Toyota Cup to Kaizer Chiefs?
Yabona iToyota Cup babumntu trust me. Yabona le nto ngikhulumayo. I think us as football supporters, everyone should be aware of. This Toyota Cup is bigger than we think. Yes, we are facing so many things in the African continent currently. Yeah, where we are told that we are alleged that we are xenophobic. Yes. So this whole Toyota Cup thing now, it shows that we are not xenophobic in football, and we still have a relationship with other countries as long as everything is documented, is done in a legal way. So I think this whole thing with Chiefs is still build us a relationship that is not only on football but it's also political relationships. That these are the countries that social relationships. So these are the countries that we've worked along with throughout the apartheid era. Then now we still work with these players currently. We growth in terms of the country. So the importance to me, Babuntunga, Toyota Cup, it goes beyond.
It goes beyond football.
Because of now, it's beyond football in terms of we don't have problems. People, we still want your players. We're still looking forward in terms of building relationships. So I think whatever that the Chiefs came up with an idea that look, let's make sure that we interact with other African countries because of the sport have power to change everything. Okay. So I think that what Chiefs, the slogan says Chiefs, that now football has the power to change. So Chiefs is using that. So it will take a mature person to understand the Toyota Cup this year, especially with the things that we are facing currently in the country, especially in the political spheres and stuff. So it's calling challenges, and then everything we can't. It's calling challenges in terms of immigrations and stuff. So I would say that the Toyota Cup will be
goes beyond
football.
No.
So
Well said.
Yes. It's just a way of putting, we're asking together, especially as football supporters. It's something that is not with this the politics are there, but
Yes. Yeah.
we do see it because we can't run away from politics.
Yes.
They are part of
We are
life.
there,
The
yeah.
bread
That is who
buy
we
every
are.
day. We depend still on them. So, but however, siyayibona in this way, let's try to be united. Yes, we understand the mandate that okay, we don't have problems with you.
Yeah.
Just do things proper. So I think that Chiefs is trying to show that we are fine together
Yes.
as long as everything is sorted. So I would still say that Chiefs that that relationship we call and as supporters, we don't
Yes.
have problem with any other people who still gonna go play caref. But now I'm going to play caref, of course. I'm not going to I need to visit home affairs, do my
Yes, we
passport,
must have
do
proper
my
documentation.
visas. That's it. So I think that's what it shows. We can still be a great continent as long as we do things right.
But I think also more than what you just said, which is very true, it's gonna the Chiefs is gonna be able to see some new players, some young players, give them a chance to showcase their talent.
It cup kwa Chiefs, it means more because
Yeah.
of pitches to develop
Yeah.
give chance to new signings.
Yes.
Coach wethu omusha naye to start the team.
Yeah.
So I still say that yenye ye-games esiye sizisebenzise before sebe-preseason okanye is part of the preseason yethu because of nayiTotal Cup mhlawumbe sibe sesibuya okanye sekunjani, but it's part of the preseason yethu in terms of uveza ijezi lethu, in terms of introduce some new players and everything, and then now it also going to a Northwest just for ukuzwisana nabantu baseNorthwest. Yazi ukuthi they had to get i-game time. Chiefs is very smart. Uyovula iRoyal bufukela awuzoba kudala ukuthi ama-home games we-Chiefs
Akho sekukhona
so uyayazi ukuthi nayo seyosetyora iRoyal bufukela. Siyayazi i-Chiefs ithi.
Yeah. So now tell me, Bafana didn't play so well on the first match. Yeah. I'm giving you 1 minute to reply to this. Kaizer Chiefs didn't play so njalo not Kaizer Chiefs Bafana bedlalanga kahle emdlalweni wokuqala. Kodwa manje amathuba eBafana okuya phambili angakanani?
Mancane.
Yeah.
The reason why baba umuntu ongangisithi yabona into esikhalisayo iyodwa la selection
Yeah.
ya la defenders. Now siya kuBafana i-midfielder yakho kwezi-4 in a red card.
Yeah.
I-attacking midfielder or attacking midfielder okanye attacker yakho unokunjani uzwane u-10 wakho une-red card. So I would say that midfielders ezi-2 zine-red card.
Yeah.
Now usele nama-defender 11, usele nama-midfielder 3,
Yeah.
usele ne-forwards ezi-7 or ezi-8.
Yes.
So it means that the next game we're still gonna see the same 6 defenders.
What are you defending when score is nil? Yeah.
Why can't mina bengiqala ukubona abantu kugame engena wingers, engena ball maker.
Ukuba anozonika i-striker ibhola. Nakhona ama-twin strikers wagcina nokwabona.
Ubani ozocross amabhola umuntu awumuntu good. When it can be i-defenders.
Nanokuthi angithi umdawu uyadefenda vele uma ngabe bempressa ngeke kwazi uku-attack.
Kufuneka defender and then siqalisa uMbokazi, change uMbokazi position, uMbokazi i-center back. Siyodlalisa uMbokazi ku-World Cup yomdlalisa i-left back. No, umdlalisa i-left back. I-center back uyodlalisa i-left back. World Cup. Uyayazi uMbokazi
seyiwinga uDibatiba.
Awu. Now already now siyamazi lo muntu wayo ngapheri. Ungazange udlale kwi-qualifiers. Kwi-AFCON. Zange wayisebenzisa this system.
Uzoqala
World Cup. Why ungadlalisanga the way kudlala ngayo ku-AFCON? Kana ufix from where you left. Kwi-AFCON wabonela amathuba ama-mistake wakho. Wazile ukuthi maybe let's say ngu-Williams hayi nguSibisa abanginikeze i-problem. Change these 2 players, keep the system yakho. Iphi kanti le system emsebenzele wathola i-bronze. Iphi le system emsebenzele wayetho kuma-knockout stages kwi-AFCON. Now uzoyichange nge-World Cup uyodlalisa into ongazange wayidlala yini information yakhona.
Hayi angazi.
Ngicasula le game because of le game umuntu ngamina mayengicasula.
Yeah.
Ngicasula ukuthi isithunzi sethu.
Ingathi
thina yithi now
sidlala impela njengathi
siqala ukudlala South Africa batheni. So sekubuzwa nathi ezi-supporters phela
uyabona yithi labo
so ubukisa ngathi zibukiswa ngezwe lethu. Mina ngithiwa ngenamqozo uba bengikusafa mina bengizamqosha kusasa.
Bona lapho
akahambe sala Mkhelele but nomkhelele siyambuza why wenzani nomkhelele as an assistant coach uzothiwa hayi madala uStarboard umadala unenkani ake ku-assistant coach ongamelanga akhuluma. Assistant coach kumele akhulume. Kufanele akhulume uqashelweni kanti. Uzothi hayi u-assistant coach akanasegcina ucoach. Ayikho leyo nto. Noma ngizogcina Mntunga because of la inguwe i-coach. Doesn't mean I can never say because of manager like I. Doesn't mean ukuthi noma uzogcina wena but ngivoice out. Ngivoice out ngiphume la which means if ever mina ngingumkhelele ngethanda izwe lami I will say that I ngixoshe coach ngibuyele ekhaya because of I won't allow this apha amandla yebo coach ngiyakubona but you are wrong now hayi ngamani ngixoshe ngibuyele ekhaya umkhelele didn't fight for his country because of now usejore lesingwa sakhe angithi ukuthi hayi angizokhuluma ku coach now ke ngoku uzoxoshwa yithi ke manje ngama petition uyabona ku useless kodwa nasokuxoshwa ngama petition ngale sekusana i-petition ukuthi asikufuni wena usithini ngale hayi angizokhuluma ngitheni ngisejora ucoach now mase kusithwa hamba naye umkhelele wakho pros so yabona ukuthi songa zakho zifake emanzini ayibalance umkhelele suppose naye uvoice out no look we've never played this stand up chance we need number 11 we need Zile we need Mureni we need police go and play boys we attack show them what we have that's what we lack there what do you have in South Africa it's the World Cup even if ever you lose it's Saudi Arabia lost World Cup but left something that we say Sasha Argentina saphuma sahamba noma uphumile World Cup shayo i1 othi ngiphume na so South Africa ibonakale from selection ukuthi asiyango yokutshengisa it's the world stage
wathi makuvele i-lineup vele wacaca
ukuthi so akacreateanga namathuba we-country yethu ukuthi le ntwana zibuye zizobona attract agents man attract everything akayenzanga leyo nto suppose udlalisa borile show them what you have in South Africa ivula vala go there even if ever you lose esingazibana problem because of ukufana say as a country wow we displayed a good football later 2 years down the line ngama agents hayi ubani bani really uhambile ubani uhambile now what he did ayibanikezanga ama players wethu to showcase what we have in South Africa okay look what you are saying but what do we have in South Africa that's what
right now we have nothing
now according to the world football suka kuna police South Africa ubani ongafuni players in South Africa after that World Cup that was an opening game showcase what we have showcase go all out showcase what we have because of it's like a show you have only 90 minutes to prove your country there that in my country we have this okay we lost we were not gonna mind but we were gonna say that we don't have so we are looking at my agents wonke bekabheke la game worldwide agents the agent of PSG of course was watching that game the agent of Manchester City was watching that game the agents of Arsenal were watching that game we be chance to showcase it's a we were blessed Salahle Tuba to show not to only play the game but to showcase our talent.
I gave you 30 minutes, you forgot.
Ngiyabonga
no, mfowethu, ngithangibonga kakhulu ukuthi sihloniphe la we talk football SA. Udlelwane bethu abuqala abugcini la. Sibonga kakhulu mntaka
nathi siyakuxoxa ukukhula kwabuntu. Siyabona nizakhula sonke sizakhula. Siyabonga umuntu ngana kuma supporters wakho.
We talk football SA. Siyabonga. China